In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom text animation in Wix. This process allows you to add a unique and engaging touch to your website, keeping your audience captivated by dynamic visual effects. Let's dive right in and explore each step thoroughly so you can bring your text to life with ease and precision. To get started, open the Wix editor and navigate to the text element you'd like to animate. Simply click on the text element within your editor to select it. Once you've done that, you'll notice a set of options appearing, typically in a toolbar, which provides different editing possibilities for your text. Look for the animation icon among these tools. This icon is the key to unlocking a variety of animation settings, allowing your text to move and change in dynamic ways. Once you click on the animation icon, you're presented with several options for the type of animation you want to apply. Here, you can choose from entrance animations, looping effects, scroll interactions, or mouse-based movements, depending on the experience you intend to create for your visitors. Each option offers a unique way to capture attention and enhance your website's aesthetic. So take a moment to think about what would best complement your content and brand. After selecting the type of animation, click on Customize. Here's where the fun part truly begins, as you can now fine-tune the animation settings to suit your needs and preferences. First, you can adjust the duration, which dictates how long the animation takes to complete. Depending on whether you want a quick flicker or a lingering effect, you can modify the timing to align with your design vision. Next, consider the delay setting, determining how long your animation will wait before it starts. This feature can add a dramatic pause, heightening anticipation, or synchronizing neatly with other elements on your page. You'll also find options to change the direction of the animation. Decide if the text swoops in from the top, slides left, or perhaps fades into view. This directional adjustment helps in crafting a harmonious flow with other page components, or can be used to highlight important messages. Remember to explore the power or intensity controls when available. These let you amplify or soften the animation's impact, allowing for fluid or punchy expressions according to the mood you wish to convey. It's important not to ignore your mobile viewers, as animations can sometimes behave differently on these devices. After configuring your text animations on the desktop view, switch over to the mobile editor within Wix. Check the animations and make any necessary adjustments for smaller screens. This ensures that everyone visiting your site, regardless of device, enjoys a seamless and attractive user experience. With these steps, you've now mastered the art of text animations in Wix, adding a professional, custom touch to your site that draws in viewers and holds their interest. Enjoy experimenting with these tools and elevating the creativity of your website design.